On the night of February 16th, 2023, in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, police responded to an unusual 911 alert triggered by an Apple Watch crash detection system. Officers arrived at the scene to find a vehicle damaged from a collision and an uncooperative driver with a troubling story.
Were you in the car?
Was
it just her?
I'm actually on a delivery right now, but...
Oh, yeah. I've met you before. Yeah, you're good, man. Yeah, take it. Did you see it happen, or did you just come up on it?
I just pulled over, and I wanted to make sure she was...
You okay? Are you injured?
No,
What happened?
I just want to go home.
Where are you coming from? Do you remember which way you were going?
Yeah.
Which way? Can you run a Kristen? She should be in-house. So the tire marks come from the wrong side of the road?
She's 5'5".
Probably.
I was gonna say she's done this before, so.
All right, I'll start snapping photos. Yeah.
Louis to rescue. Is she doing okay?
Yeah, she's not injured.
Okay.
What's your name?
Why?
Well, you were in a crash, and the fire department's going to come and check you out. Just make sure you're not injured. As long as you're not injured, you don't have to accept any care from them. But since you got airbags deployed, they're probably just going to ask you a couple questions. Are you Kristen?
Yep.
Do you got your license on you?
Yep.
Hey, Kristen, what's a phone number for you? Any luck with that driver's license?
It's
Nah, don't worry about it. Hey, what's your current address? What city?
Lake Geneva. Stop! Son of a bitch.
You got car insurance?
Yeah.
Who's your auto insurance?
Ugh. It's West Bend. Stop calling!
Where were you coming from?
Champs.
And you said you were going home?
Yep.
So, if you don't mind me asking, it looks like your tire marks come from the wrong side of the road. You said you were going this way, right?
Yeah.
And you're familiar with this area, right? So, what happened that led you to be on
It blew.
What does that mean?
My tire blew.
Your tire blew?
My tire blew.
You sure about that?
I don't have winter tires, so it blew.
And how did that lead you
Give me 2 seconds, fellas. I'll come to you.
on the wrong side of the road? It's just my partner.
No. What is...
Just some rubberneckers. Just want to see what's going on.
No.
my partner over here,
I have it all on.
She hit you
I have,
too?
I have it on video.
How many drinks did you have at Champs?
0.
You gonna start being honest with me at any point?
No, I had 0 drink at Champs because I went to Magpies. Champs?
How many drinks did you have at Magpies?
But yeah, watch, you can see the impact right here.
Just be honest, Kristen. I know you had.
I'm
I know
being
you had a
honest.
couple.
Do you want to arrest me?
I know you had a couple. It's okay if you
I
only.
had 0 at Champs
And at Magpies?
and
What kind of drinks? Listen, if you had just a couple, then that's fine, right? But if you had too many, well, then
I
we
had
gotta.
0 at Champs.
I got
so
that.
if you want to arrest me, arrest me. So
Are you willing to do some field sobrieties?
let's go. Yeah, let's go.
So it's kind of cold out. Would you rather do them in a? We have a heated garage at the police department, just because the ground's all slippery and it's pretty cold outside. So we're gonna have to tow the car anyways. So
Why?
Because it's not drivable.
Why?
Your front end's all smashed up.
19.
So are you willing to just come down to the PD and then after we're done, you can find a ride to come pick you up from the PD?
Sure.
Does that work for you?
Sure.
All right. Grab everything that you need out of the car. You okay?
No.
What's wrong? Okay, so none of the tires blew out.
Stop.
Just toss your cell phone in your purse. Make sure you got the keys. 726. Do you want to get a flatbed rolling, please? Well,
What's up?
she says she's not injured. Is that true, Kristen? Or are you?
Yeah. No, we're good.
Okay.
Did you give yourself a feel over? Make sure No blood anywhere.
We're good.
You don't want to get seen at all?
Nope.
You want me to check you out?
We're good.
You don't want me to do anything?
We're good.
Okay.
Well, thanks. So, got everything, grab your cell phone and your keys. Come on, Kristen, let's get this going.
What's your first name again?
Kristen?
Kristen?
Yeah.
Hey, Kristen.
What?
Calm down for a second, okay?
Oh.
I want to get you out of the car because you hit the tree pretty hard and there's a lot of damage to your front of your car. I get it. Hold on.
Right.
Hold on. I get it. You don't want to go to the hospital, okay? But I need to get what's called a refusal of release on you. So let's get you out. We'll get on the ambulance. I'll ask you a couple questions and boom, I'll have you sign and we're out of here, okay? Yes or no? Okay. First of all, is it hard?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I'm gonna help you out of the car because I don't want you slipping and falling, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Come on, we're gonna go over here, okay?
You got your... Here, I'll grab
Okay.
your, can I grab your phone for you, Kristen?
We're going to the side door, okay?
No, we're not. No.
Kristen, we gotta go
No,
inside.
we're not. No.
We're gonna go inside. Come here.
No.
Kristen, come here.
We're not.
Kristen, he
We're
just
gonna
needs
go
you to...
inside.
He just
We're
needs
not.
you to sign something.
I just need you to sign something and then you're in and you're out.
Not.
Kristen, come on.
We can't do this in the middle of the road.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
We just got
Yeah,
some
we
paper-
can.
No,
we
we're
just got
not.
some
Yeah, we
paperwork
can.
We gotta
It's
do.
cold
I am
outside.
not.
It's cold outside. You're not going anywhere. The cop will go in there with us.
We're not.
Come on.
No.
Well, you're not getting out here in the cold.
All he needs is a
Okay.
signature
Well,
from
my
you.
ex-husband.
All he
That's
needs is a signature
Yep.
from you.
I don't care about your ex-husband.
The sooner we get this done, the sooner we can get on our
We
way.
could just get you to sign.
We're not going over there.
Why not? Explain to me why not.
We're not.
Why? You gotta let me do my job, okay?
No.
Why not?
No.
Kristen, it's cold out here. You don't have a jacket on.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I didn't say you did anything wrong, did I? I just need you to go in there with me. Gonna
No,
ask you a couple
no.
questions and then we're out.
No.
Why? You want to get back in your car then, and we'll do it in your car? How about you get in the back seat, sitting there, and then we'll do it in your car? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Oops, you got a kid seat there.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
What was all that about over there?
So she actually hit one of those cars over there at the intersection. He tried to run.
Oh, she did.
Hit and run.
Okay. Is there damage to that car? Okay. No injuries though?
No injuries.
Okay.
I did not
Oh,
hit
careful, careful, careful.
anything.
Oh, God.
I did not hit anything.
Well, that's not entirely true.
What did I hit? What did I hit?
Is it going to be a surprise to you if I tell you?
What did I hit?
Hit a tree? Do you not remember that?
A tree.
She signed off.
A tree.
She's getting there.
A tree.
All right, don't get in the driver's seat though, okay?
A tree.
Hey, don't-
I hit a tree.
Kristen, don't get in the driver's seat.
I hit a tree.
Whoa, easy, easy, easy.
I hit a fucking tree.
Let's get checked out by EMS here. All right. Well, guess what? Let's just go. 195. She just pushed you.
Yeah.
Resisting obstructing.
A tree.
You got the right arm and up.
A tree.
Kristen,
Get the f- out of here.
okay, don't kick
We can fix it when it's correct. It's secured.
Get the f- out of here.
Kristen, relax.
You got her right arm yet? No.
Get
Okay, don't kick me. All right, right one's off.
get out of here.
Got her left in here.
All right, there. Should we call out that she's 95 yet?
Yeah, I mean, we've got resisting obstructing. She's currently trying to kick me, so.
Go for it. Go for it.
JCN, probably illegal.
All right, where's she going in my car?
We're gonna go for 4-point restraint. I'd say if you could try to just search her real quick.
Yeah.
You're keeping her cuffed, right?
Yeah, we can. Would you guys be okay if we do 4 points?
That's fine.
Fanny pack type.
I was on the phone. All right.
She's got a buckle. Excellent.
Okay.
Call her dad or
So Can you just go wait in your car? We'll come talk to you in a
I'm
second.
parked right behind the fire truck.
I'll come talk to you in a hot minute.
Who's Richard?
I was gonna put her purse and phone in my car.
I don't want to go to...
We're being honest right now. You said you were going to cooperate, didn't you? Yes or no? Okay, don't argue. Let's cooperate.
Let's get you on the bed. Let's get you inside where it's
No.
warm.
Come on.
No,
Kristen.
no,
Kristen.
no,
Stop.
no.
Take it two steps back. There you go. Now you're sitting.
I'm
Perfect.
No,
What is the deal?
no,
I'm not ready to again.
Yep. Get up.
no,
Yeah.
no.
You said you were going to cooperate, didn't you?
What? No.
Kristen was transported to the hospital where she was read her rights, and an evidentiary blood test was taken. Reports did not indicate Kristen's BAC. She was then medically cleared before being taken to jail.
So yeah, I'll type up that OWI and then eventually I'll write her a ticket for wrong way on a divided street, hit and run, yep.
And then resisting, obstructing, and
We can mock her on that.
I would say she's definitely a danger to herself or others.
Like your backside.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right, I'm gonna go talk to ex-husband real fast.
Thanks.
So, obviously, so she was on the phone with you?
Yeah, and then she hung up, and then I tried calling her back, and I got nothing.
Okay.
I was telling her because I could tell, like, let me come pick you up, and that's when she just hung up, and then was like I kind of heard something, but I wasn't sure.
So she got into obviously car accident.
Yeah.
And then she's been drinking.
Yeah.
So
Is she being taken to the hospital or the?
so unfortunately,
Or
she's
she-
going to the hospital.
Yes.
And then she's going to go to jail for the night.
Okay. Is she okay?
Yeah.
I couldn't like bail her out early. It's an overnight thing. Or?
So my partner is the one that's going to be doing all the charges and stuff, and it just kind of depends whatever he wants.
Okay.
But I would say it's probably going to be tomorrow sometime.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kristen received citations for OWI First Offense, hit and run, wrong way on a divided highway, and failure to maintain control of her vehicle. She was ultimately charged with and found guilty of hit and run and resisting or obstructing an officer.